YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what the goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now, check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And let's see what this is. We got Father's Day just fast approaching, so you guys might want to start looking now. Get this shipped to your father and see what the goodies they have for your home. This is coming from, where's this coming from? Rebluum. This is solar battery wireless security camera. 350 pan, 90 degrees tilt. We have forever power, solar style, wire-free hassle. Oh, baby. Brand new. Rebluum. HD video. Wi-Fi connection. Micro SD. Two-way talk. Alarm notification. This is what you get inside. Camera, solar panel, screw pack sticker, warning sticker, user manual, micro USB charging cable. Oh, baby. Install this outside later on. Just gotta make sure I got enough spots. I'm not sure. We got the 24-hour video surveillance. Be great for your home, your business. And then here's the manual. There's the solar right here. Ooh, tiny little dude. Got a lot of panels. Here's a screw for the camera. USB. Keep that right there. You got the screw pack right there. You got some mounting brackets right there. And we got here another pivot thing for mounting. And we got right here USB cable. Right there. It's not bad. We got mounting brackets. Got more screws. Ooh. Some screws here also. And now we're to set this thing up. Close it. Red rum. There we go. Got all that goodies. Got screws, and more screws. 2 packs of screws. USB. Bracket. Another one. Ooh, baby. Make sure you peel this off. Here we go. And then peel this off. Oh, shoot. We got right here the power. Cable goes in there, reset button right there next to it. Got the antennas, you could do a little dance. Here's the front. Yeah, it's pretty lightweight too. And there's a QR code you need to scan, so this goes. Make sure you go like this. Probably take those screws and mount it. that. She have it like that. Should be easier. Power's right there, so we got that in. Here we go. Hold on one sec. There you go. It's easy to come off still, so don't worry about that. But you want to put this first to mount it, then slide it. So either or, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. And this is gonna be for this dude. Oops. I'm gonna put it on the ground. Here we go. Sometimes it takes, can't rush, just slow down. There we go. Get that mounted. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount this. There we go. Look at that. But you might wanna mount the bracket first before you install the solar. So mount this 3 or 4. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 right there. And then 3 right here. So you get enough screws in here. There's a 4 and 4. And then untangle this. We're moving. My phone might be dying, so hopefully we'll get it in one shot. Running out of memory. Here we go. So you just gotta have some fun. Click this in here. Like so. And then do the install. I wonder if it's gonna turn on. There we go. And then right here at the bottom, power. Heard it. There it is. There we go. Alright, let me grab the other phone and set it up. And now, they got for the App Store and the Google Play, the search is called Cloud Edge app. So you might want to download that. If you guys could read it. Cloud Edge. QR codes. Right there. And this is what it looks like on the Android Google Play Store. Cloud Edge. Right on top. Hit the install. Should take a second. We'll be right back. And once you set it up with the email, password, and all that good stuff, this is what it looks like. There's the notification, important notification permissions, and all that I gotta fix. There we go. Well, I got rid of that. And then add the device. It's gonna be floodlight, security battery, camera, 4G. Which one is it? Battery, camera, no. Camera kits. Aha. Using app. Oh, fine. QR code. Alright guys, simple, easy install. We are good to go. Definitely excited. I'm really impressed how fast it was to install it. No problems with the internet. Everything is working. Now the camera. We got to do my device. Add success.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation.
Okay, getting a video stream. Oh yeah. Done. Backyard. We'll just call it door for now. Whoa. Alright, we'll switch that. You can switch it to QHD. It'll probably drain the battery a little faster, but hey, sometimes you got to. Okay, now we got this going on here. Drop it down. Okay, there we go. So you can see it moving. Oh, there I am. Okay. Look up in the ceiling. It's a bird. There we go. Well, you might want to plug this back in there. I'm definitely excited for this one. But the install, I'm not sure where yet. I mean, this is great quality. There we go. Keep this up. And we'll take a look at the app for a few. We got the PTC control. You can make it, you know, all the way down, all the way up. That's right. There we go. History. They got the cloud service. You could activate. Don't need that right now. And then motion. You could do Alexa, Google Home. Always update your device. Image settings. You can do a screen flip. You can switch it to intelligent mode or intelligent vision, full color night vision, black and white night vision. See, I got 3 choices right there. We'll just do intelligent. Alarm, custom mode, alarm area. This is where you're going to select the area you want to protect. You could just do the whole thing. And then you'll get notifications through your phone that, you know, somebody crossed the line. Auto warning stripe. Let's see. I'm going to have to charge my phone. Audio, there we go. Audio warning and strobe light. So she'll talk and then thing will distract them. So that'll be cool. Okay, so we're going to set that up right about now. It should be the same format as the, yep. I'll just cover this whole thing for the video. There we go. Save. You can erase it and edit. Also, it's saved. You can change the motion sensitivity. And in performance mode, you can always change. Chord management, sound setting, microphone, we already heard that. So we know that works really well. Alarm, we already did that. Image, screen flip, I'm going to keep the way it is. There's a notification right there. Yep, see, let's see, tips and stuff. Location, installation guide. There we go. So yeah, definitely. Whoa, that's bright. I like this. Look at that. That is cool. Motion detection, there we go. Yep, we got that. Good. And so we got pretty much everything covered. You can take a screenshot. Hello. And you can do that. Pull that up really quick. I gotta make this fast. And then, so there's battery and the Wi-Fi strength right there. Jesus. Oh yeah, my neighbor's gonna be mad at me. That's loud. And pretty much, I think that's it. I got the light covered. It's so cool. And it's solar, so I mean, can't go wrong with this one. Like I said, great Father's Day gift, or a gift to you or your home, or a gift to anybody that you know in the family. Definitely check them out. Links will be down below. Get it now. Be safe. Have a good weekend.